On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck? Nah, I know that was a long vacation. Did you miss me? How about you, Dumpy? Did you miss me? I figured. I didn't bring you anything back, but I brought you something. Look at that. Stopped at a few trucker stores on the way down. I saw this. It looks nice and small. I have to install this. Get rid of that other handheld. So what'd you do while I was gone? Did you behave? I missed you. I missed you too. Yeah. Let's go for a ride, girl. You wanna go for a ride, Mama? You wanna go for a ride? No? I didn't think so. I was wondering what that lump was. Glad it's not the cat. Follow them big trucks. They don't know where they are either. Dumpy's gonna have to go on a dump run. Actually, I guess they call it a recycle run now. I have a lot of steel I gotta bring back. I don't know. Between Suzuki and Mini, it's pretty, I don't know, the power must be pretty close. I think the power range is in a different area. The only way to find out is we're gonna have to do a race.
It's like a race?
You're laughing at my Mini.
That thing's sweet, man. My stepdad's got the same thing, but it's baby blue.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel I got this on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, they go anywhere.
Yeah, they're great.
He just put the quad tires on it, and
Oh, did he?
yep. Yeah, it's like a baby blue, like almost like a periwinkle.
Nice.
But yeah, they're cool.
I bet you he watches my YouTube channel then.
Yeah?
Yep. All right, man.
Have fun, dude.
See ya. Yeah. Always happy, Minnie. My happy girl. A lot of fun, Minnie. Did a lot of off-roading. You would have liked that.
I'm gonna take it down before all the oil drains out.
Did an airboat ride. Went to Disney. Went to Universal Studios. Did some more off-roading. Did some more off-roading. I think you would have liked it. If I get a better trailer next time you're going with me. Oh, we gotta get Dumpy to work fixing this driveway. Alright, Dumpy, it's your turn. You're gonna earn your keep around here. A lot of steel, a lot of batteries, Dumpy. Get to the bottom. Looks like a hell of a load. Go strap it down. Damn. Better give you some air, huh? Not quite on the snubs. Definitely loaded. Look good, Dumpy. Not much more to go, Dumpy. Yeah, huh?
You have other side too. You
Yeah.
have a whole truck?
What's that?
You leave a whole truck?
Yeah, right? I have batteries in the back first.
Okay.
I don't know where that scale is.
The scale is right here.
She said the battery scale's here too, or?
No, the battery is on the other side. But
Oh.
I think you got to
Weigh it and then subtract the battery?
Don't put the steel. The battery is underneath it, right?
No, I put them right in the very back. So I can flip the tailgate and take them out.
See the battery is there? Go over there.
Okay, right over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go there, then come back in the scale, okay?
Okay.
That's nice. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful that way.
Hey, I have batteries in the back. I'll take out first, and then
Yeah, how many batteries?
there's a bunch of small, maybe 8 all together. They're all kind of mixed. See?
Put batteries here.
Put them over there.
Yes.
I didn't know if you weighed them. I didn't know how you did it. Oh, yeah, steel too.
5 batteries, okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, you want us now, you want us back on the scale, okay?
Yeah, I'll go back.
Yeah, yes, steel, you want us over there, you want us back to steel.
Yep. Thank you. It's a dump. Yeah.
But on this is no steel. This is the springs.
Oh, this
is
isn't.
iron.
Okay, so it's a
And
separate.
this here, the reds, and this the
Oh, so we'll take this off first.
Yep.
All right, let me get my.
I like this car.
Yeah.
And this is the same thing, and this is the top. You see the red one?
I don't think so.
And this
This is the. Oh, is there one in there?
And this is only this. And this on the front. That's it. Take the parts, engine parts.
Oh.
Yeah, and this the front nothing.
Go Dumpy.
That's the little battery. This is the start.
Yeah.
Really?
A tractor battery. The one that comes with it isn't a tractor battery. But they work.
Yeah.
Ready? No problem. You see? It's a boy.
Oh. Nice.
You must get some here now. Just that. I see that. That's a Suzuki too.
Yeah, this coming too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but on that,
No bed on it? It looked. That was a dump bed too. It has a frame.
yeah. No, it's coming to bed.
Darn. I wonder who is it from?
Inside, and this not the Dodge, not the
Nah.
seats, nothing.
No, I was saying what's the names on the side. You can see.
Oh.
Oh. Carmine Laborla. Huh. They're fun.
Yeah.
Do I go back on the scale?
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you. Good. Wow, 2,000 exactly. So I just go in, or you get? I get a ticket. Same ticket. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. All set.
Last name? Do you have your ID? There you go. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Ooh. Jeez. You did okay, Dumpy. Look. You did all right. 128 bucks you made, huh? Not bad, Dumpy. Not bad. Fill you up with some super unleaded. How about that, boy? 1,260 pounds. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.